Hello, on behalf of Team Robotic Eats, I would like to present to you the automatic injera maker. Our team was able to design a fully autonomous injera maker that replaces the need to employ a baker for the sole purpose of baking injera. Our machine is affordable, compact, and scalable to fit the needs of the majority of the family-owned Ethiopian restaurants in our country. Moreover, we seriously took into consideration the safety of its users by selecting fire retardant materials and following both federal guidance and international standards in all electrical and electronic components. Now, I will pass it on to Jordan, and he will be talking about the difficulties we encountered in making this prototype. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jordan Clark, and I'm going to be talking a little bit about the difficulties we faced with the prototype design so far. So we initially started out with steel framing members for the base and the vertical shaft, and then used aluminum for the horizontal member that held the dispensing mechanism. That proved to still be a little bit heavy, so we've actually switched to a plastic member to reduce weight, to reduce torque required by the servo motors. Another difficulty to do with rotation was the rotating of the dispensing mechanism was actually pretty difficult because of the hose that we're using to dispense the batter wasn't very flexible. So we replaced that with a more flexible hose. Electrically, we had a few issues with connectivity that we've since solved by replacing temporary connections with more robust connectors, as well as we removed some connectors entirely and have hardwired some electrical items. But that's it for difficulties, and now Joseph Damasceno will go over the operation of the unit. Thank you.
Hi, thanks Jordan. I'm Joe Damasceno, and I'm here to give you a quick demonstration of AIM. First you click the green button, and then AIM will start to initialize. It'll extend itself out, start spinning its pipeline manifold, disperse the batter evenly. Right now, the manifold's set up for the 12-inch hot plate, which is the one we're currently using. You can extend that to a 14 or a 16. After a few seconds, AIM will return back to its previous location, and then whoever's making the injera will go ahead and put on the lid, which will bake the injera in place. And then we just wait for a little bit of the Hollywood magic to go on, about 5 minutes. Take her off, and you have an amazing looking piece of injera ready to eat right off the hot plate. Okay, well that's the quick demo of AIM. We'll show you lots more on demo day. Off to Marina, who's going to talk about the future of AIM.
Hello, my name is Marina Kopich, and I'll be talking about future improvements. The investor model obviously has some aesthetic flaws, but don't affect the performance of the automatic injera maker. The goal of Robotic Eats is for the market model to mount final design in a 3D printed frame and pipeline manifold made out of PA12 heat-resistant material, which will allow operation of AIM in the harshest environments and will allow the dispensing tube to sit nicely in the arm of the injera maker. We'll order a flexible hose, which was already identified but was not purchased due to the fact that it's only available for purchase in bulk. The dispensing manifold will have caps in the dispensing holes to pour batter for either a 12, 14, or 16-inch hot plate, and add a timer alarm which will notify user after the 5 minutes from iteration has concluded that the injera is ready for removal from hot plate. Robotic Eats is proud to announce AIM will alleviate tedious and repetitive work for manual labor of injera by introducing the perfect pour that is consistent, producing quality and fresh injera in homes and small businesses. Thank you.